From the heart of nature's bounty to the forefront of innovation, our journey begins with the freshest coconut.
Every exceptional coconut product begins its journey in these vibrant tropical plantations, where skilled farmers nurture eventually. After harvesting, coconuts are carefully sorted by size, weight, and quality. This initial sorting ensures that
To protect the coconuts during transport, they are carefully packed into specially designed crates. These crates ensure the
Every day, fresh coconuts travel from the farms to our modern factory, ensuring their natural freshness is preserved.
Each coconut is carefully unloaded to preserve its quality and freshness. This process requires teamwork and precision.
Once unloaded, the coconuts are transported to the washing area, where the cleaning process begins to prepare them for further processing.
In our factory, coconuts undergo an initial wash in an advanced shower system. This removes dirt and impurity. Following machine washing, each coconut is manually cleaned and inspected. This hands-on approach guarantees that.
After thorough cleaning and inspection, coconuts are organized and labeled, ready to move on to the next stage of production.
After arrival and initial cleaning, each batch of fresh coconuts is carefully weighed to ensure consistency and traceability throughout the production process. Using state-of-the-art digital scales, every coconut batch is measured with precision. This data is recorded materially.
Alongside weighing, each coconut undergoes a thorough visual inspection. Our quality control team looks for.
Based on weight and quality, coconuts are sorted into categories. This sorting ensures that only the best coconuts proceed to the next stage of processing.
All data is digitally recorded and linked to batch labels, allowing full traceability from farm to finished product.
Our factory's weighing and sorting area operates with precision and teamwork, ensuring every coconut meets our strict quality standards.
Effective communication and coordination among our team members are key to maintaining a seamless production process.
Our quality control supervisors continuously monitor every step, ensuring that our high standards are consistently met.
Once weighed and sorted, coconuts are carefully organized and prepared for the next stage of processing, maintaining order and efficiency. Trimmers. After thorough cleaning and inspection, coconuts are organized and labeled, ready to move on to the next stage of production. Every exceptional coconut product begins its journey in these vibrant tropical plantations, where skilled farmers nurture eventually. After harvesting, coconuts are carefully sorted by size, weight, and quality. This initial sorting ensures that.
To protect the coconuts during transport, they are carefully packed into specially designed crates. These crates ensure the.
Every day, fresh coconuts travel from the farms to our modern factory, ensuring their natural freshness is preserved.
To guarantee product quality, samples undergo temperature and pH testing. These scientific checks ensure.
Each coconut is carefully unloaded to preserve its quality and freshness. This process requires teamwork and precision.
Once unloaded, the coconuts are transported to the washing area, where the cleaning process begins to prepare them for further processing.
In our factory, coconuts undergo an initial wash in an advanced shower system. This removes dirt and impurity.
Following machine washing, each coconut is manually cleaned and inspected. This hands-on approach guarantees that.
After thorough cleaning and inspection, coconuts are organized and labeled, ready to move on to the next stage of production.
After sorting and testing, the coconuts enter the washing area, where advanced machinery ensures they are thoroughly cleaned before further processing. Coconuts are gently loaded into the washing machine, designed to handle them with care while removing any remaining dirt and impurities. The machine's multiple shower heads spray water from all angles, ensuring every coconut is cleaned thoroughly and hygienically.
Our advanced washing system is controlled via a computerized panel, allowing precise adjustments to optimize cleaning efficiency.
As the coconuts move through the washing chamber, they are continuously rinsed, removing any residual dirt and preparing them for the next stage.
Post-wash inspection ensures that every coconut meets our strict hygiene standards before moving forward.
Following machine washing, each coconut is manually cleaned and dried to remove excess moisture and ensure optimal quality. Once cleaned and dried, coconuts are organized and labeled, ready to proceed to the cutting and opening stage.
Our supervisors continuously monitor the washing process to maintain the highest standards of cleanliness and efficiency.
This thorough washing and cleaning process ensures that every coconut is perfectly prepared for the next steps in producing premium coconut water.
Once cleaned and inspected, the coconuts move to the cutting and opening chamber, where advanced machinery carefully opens each.
Coconuts are gently loaded into the cutting machine, designed to handle them with care while efficiently opening each shell.
The machine's precision blades cut open each coconut, allowing the fresh coconut water to be extracted without contamination.
Fresh coconut water is collected in sanitized containers, ready for further processing and quality checks.
After cutting, each coconut is inspected to ensure no shell fragments remain, maintaining the purity and safety of the product.
Strict safety protocols and teamwork ensure the handling of opened coconuts is efficient and hazard-free.
Our supervisors continuously monitor the cutting process to maintain precision and quality. Regular cleaning and maintenance of machinery are essential to uphold hygiene standards and ensure smooth operation.
This precise cutting and opening process is a critical step in delivering fresh, pure coconut water to our customers.
Following the cutting and opening process, every coconut and its extracted water undergo a rigorous quality inspection.
Our experts examine the coconut water for clarity and purity, ensuring it meets our strict quality standards.
Sensory testing, including taste assessments, helps us guarantee the natural, refreshing flavor our customers expect. Based on inspection results, products are graded and sorted, with only Grade A items proceeding to packaging. All inspection data is recorded digitally, ensuring complete traceability and quality control.
Our supervisors oversee every inspection, maintaining the highest standards of quality assurance.
Lower-grade products are handled responsibly, ensuring no compromise on the quality of our premium offerings. Grade A products are carefully assembled, ready for the final stages of production and packaging.
Effective teamwork and communication ensure a smooth and efficient quality inspection process.
This thorough quality inspection guarantees that only the best coconut water reaches our customers, upholding our commitment to excellence. Following quality inspection, Grade A coconut products are carefully assembled into buckets and trays, preparing them for the final washing and packaging stages.
Each product is placed with precision to maintain its integrity and prepare it for the final cleaning process.
Once assembled, the products are transported to the final washing chamber, where they undergo a thorough cleaning to ensure absolute purity.
The final washing chamber uses advanced technology to cleanse the products thoroughly, removing any remaining impurities.
Multiple perspectives reveal the meticulous nature of the washing process, ensuring every product meets our high standards.
Post-washing, each product is carefully dried and inspected to maintain quality and prepare for packaging.
Cleaned and dried products are labeled and organized, ready for the next phase of heating and steaming.
Supervisors continuously monitor the assembly and washing stages to uphold our commitment to excellence.
Effective teamwork and communication ensure a smooth and efficient assembly and washing process.
This final assembly and washing stage guarantees that every product is pristine and ready for the final steps in producing premium coconut water. Following the final washing, the coconut products enter the heating and steaming chamber, where they undergo sterilization to ensure safety and extend shelf life.
Products are carefully loaded into the chamber, ensuring even exposure to heat and steam for effective sterilization. The controlled heating and steaming process eliminates harmful microorganisms, preserving the natural quality of the coconut water.
Technicians continuously monitor and adjust the process to maintain optimal sterilization conditions. After sterilization, products are carefully unloaded, ready for the final inspection and packaging stages.
A thorough post-sterilization inspection ensures that every product meets our quality standards.
Sterilized products are then prepared for laser inspection, the next critical step in quality assurance.
Supervisors oversee every stage to ensure strict adherence to safety and quality protocols.
Effective teamwork and communication are essential to maintaining a smooth and efficient sterilization process.
This sterilization process guarantees the safety and quality of our premium coconut water, ready for the final inspection. Once packaged, our premium coconut water is carefully loaded onto trucks and transported through a well-coordinated. Premium coconut water is nature's perfect hydration, packed with essential electrolytes, low in calories, and rich in nutrients.